8:08 p.m. Not even a bold lip can save how tired I feel. I just got the baby asleep. And I wanted to get this video done because the day that I'm filming it, Monday, September 23rd, it's a whole other question as to when you'll actually be seeing this, hopefully very soon. Today, the Detox Market launched their Best of Green Beauty Box. This is not a gift with purchase. This is actually for sale. It is $249 worth of products that you can purchase for a limited time on the Detox Market website for $159. I thought I would just unbox it, show you everything that's in here. I've tried 2 things and I have experience with mostly everything else in the box. So let's get started. This is actually a treat for me to do this at the end of a long day, a long couple days. I mean, really a long 10.5 months, but baby LAMOUR is about to have tooth number 7 and tooth number 8 break through, and you can imagine how much fun that's been in our house. Okay, where shall we start? Why don't we start with the product that I was super excited to see. There's a lot of really good things in this box, but I was really excited to try this. It's one of the new Cosas Sport Hyaluronic Lip Balms. I've seen this product talked about for, I guess, maybe a couple of months now. They included it in a tint because I think that this comes in several colors. I know they definitely do a clear one and then maybe a couple of tints or just this one tint. It says Warm Tan Pulse. Lip Fuel Advanced Lip Care powered by active botanicals. The packaging is, you know, sleek. This is what the product looks like. It does leave some tint, actually like a fairly substantial tint. This is really nice over a lip liner to just give you a bit of a moisturized stain to the lips. I used it for a day, like reapplied several times throughout the day. Very moisturizing, not too sticky. Now the second thing I was quite excited about and I used today is the new mascara from Well People, the volumizing mascara. Well People has had a mascara in their range since its inception, so it's been around for many years, 4 or 5 years at this point or more, 6 years. However, they have just launched a volumizing formula. Their first mascara is a lengthening formula, and I've reviewed it on and off lots of different places. I've even used it for periods of time way in the past. But ultimately, I feel like it doesn't do a lot for my lashes personally, and it does smudge on me. Smudging with mascara is not typically an issue that I have, but I have come across several formulas that do, and the original Well People formula definitely smudges on me, as well as Lancome Monsieur Big, randomly. So this is definitely a proper volumizing brush. It's a natural bristle brush, which most volumizing formulas tend to be. Lengthening formulas tend to be that rubber bristle with more widely spaced teeth, I guess you could say. Used this morning. You probably can't tell. I mean, I've had my makeup on for a long time and it's gone through the ringer, but I am happy to report I did not get any smudging today, and actually I did go for many outdoor walks in like mid-70-degree weather, so I wasn't actively sweating, but it did kind of have some wear and tear, and the formula is quite dry, but I really did try and build it up on my lashes. And so far, so good. It's not absolutely the best I've ever tried, but it is far from the worst mascara in the eco space that I've ever tried. So if you are wanting a natural mascara that is of the volumizing variety, amazing addition here. Dun, 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 dun. So happy to see this in here. Love this product for myself, love it for pretty much everybody. It's the Pi Rosehip Bioregenerate Oil. It's not a full size, but it's one of these little baby sizes. This is actually excellent timing because I just finished a full-size bottle of this, and I feel like I always have to have this in my life. If you are someone that wants a nourishing but also skin rejuvenating, naturally regenerating oil, rosehip seed oil is kind of the natural equivalent of a retinol or a phytoretinol. It's not going to be as strong or noteworthy of cell turnover as that would give, but if you want to avoid retinols like I do, and if you want to hear more about that, I talked about it in my Graydon Beauty Heroes review. I talked all about kind of where I stand on retinols and phytoretinols and a broader skincare philosophy, this is the kind of product that I go for in lieu of that. My skin absolutely loves it. I find that it's, I don't know, it's not super active, but it's certainly not just a nourishing product. It really is perfect. Full size of the Maya Chia, the Eye Achiever Multi-Correctional Eye Serum. I have gone through an entire bottle of this. This is actually a past Beauty Heroes Hero product from maybe a year and a half ago, closing in on 2 years ago. I really liked it when I used it. I actually have enough eye serum roller balls to do kind of like a roundup post on Instagram. This, I'm currently using the Lil Fox Kalahari, which I love. I have the Blue Alchemy eye roller ball. I have Stark Astral. I'm just about to break into the Audacity Baobab and Sarsaparilla, I want to say, eye serum roller ball, which you can also get on the Detox market. But this one is definitely a solid one. The applicator is great. The formula is really nice. I do think that it's, for me, this was not one that I could often use in the morning, but as a PM night treatment, it's excellent. It's really nourishing, really nice. If you want to hear my complete thoughts on it, I would direct you to the Beauty Heroes Roundup video that includes my retrospective thoughts on this. So I'll have that linked below. Every video I reference, if I don't link it up here, I try and include it in a videos referenced section in the description box below. Excited to see this in here, because I have a full bottle of this already that I have for a very specific purpose, but it's the Audacity Blue Aura Cleansing Water. It has neem, holy basil, and turmeric, described as an Ayurvedic anti-pollution formula. Now, essentially what this is the eco version of a micellar water. They say on the back here, a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. It says perfect for all skin types. Okay. If you don't want to do a first oil or balm cleanse, I personally have to do that every day. It's probably my favorite step in my skincare routine is doing an oil or balm cleanse. But if you're in a hurry, or I'm trying to think of all the circumstances when you would just want to kind of eat through the first layer of makeup. If you're in any kind of performance where you're wearing stage makeup, I don't know, let me think about other circumstances. But this is actually extremely effective at quick, no fuss makeup removal. I have never used this all over my face, primarily because I just don't have a need to, but it is excellent for removing lip color, which is primarily what I use it for. I keep a bottle in the bathroom, and anytime I'm wearing a bold lip that I need to take off, I put this on a cotton round and it just makes really short shrift of whatever I'm wearing. And I feel like it is also a little bit resurfacing and conditioning to the lips. It's great. I do feel it would be aggressive for me to use all over my face. Personally, I am a normal skin type with a little bit of a tendency towards dryness and dehydration. The packaging is really nice. I'm very hit or miss with Audacity, and I know it has quite a specific use in my routine, but I'm happy to have it and I have been getting good use out of it. Okay, so we have here a travel trio of InnerSense Organic Beauty hair products, and these are the Pure Harmony, Pure Inspiration, Sweet Spirit Hair Bath Daily Conditioner, Leave-In Conditioner, and these are the ones that are best for fine to medium hair texture. They have a more hydrating collection that's better for medium to coarse hair. I am a lover of the Pure Harmony hair bath. I have a full bottle of it in our shower. The Pure Inspiration conditioner is really nice as well. I don't actually go for the Sweet Spirit leave-in very much, but I love InnerSense's hydrating hair mask. Baby's like doing some acrobatics. Okay, then they're including a full size of the Detox Mode Happening Scrub made with grapeseed, ginger, and grapefruit. The Detox Mode is a private label collection of products through the Detox Market, I think, or it's like a spin-off company. So the Detox Market is effectively making their own products that they're calling Detox Mode. And I've tried several things. I've tried this before. It actually is quite effective as a scrub. I'll be perfectly honest, the scent was not, I'm not even gonna open it because I'm probably gonna end up giving this to somebody. The scent was not my personal favorite. It was something about like the ginger that it sounded really appealing, but was a little bit of a miss for me scent-wise. But the scrub is really nice. The packaging is really handy to keep in the shower. I I'm so big on body exfoliation. Also tried they do a skin balm, they do a dry body oil. Their branding and visuals here reminds me so much of the Naked music label. If you know what that is, leave me a comment because we are kindred spirits. Lastly, they are including the Signature Set Mod Collection by RMS Beauty. This is a palette of cream products. Packaging is quite nice. Looks like this. So in here is Living Luminizer, Lip to Cheek in the color Spell, which is kind of a dusty rose. This is the Master Mixer, and the Lip to Cheek in Smile. So the Lip to Cheek is their cream blush formula. They also do lip shines that I like to use or have liked to use in the past as cheek, kind of dewy cheek color. Master Mixer I've never tried. Living Luminizer I've liked for a really long time. This is actually somewhat unfortunate timing for me to be coming across an RMS Beauty product. I do or have historically thought that the products are really wonderful. I've had issues personally with RMS marketing for quite a while and tended to look the other way, but as luck would have it, as I'm sitting down to do this video, Estee Laundry, the site that I feel like I've mentioned to you guys many times, just did a whole solicitation of unethical corporate beauty brand practices, and they posted so many accounts of people's unfortunate work situations at certain brands, and it really ran the gamut. I would say that Estee Lauder companies and Charlotte Tilbury were huge offenders, but there were some really negative posts about RMS Beauty as a company, which is a bummer because I know a lot of us really like their products, but I really do feel compelled to share that because it's something that I'm sort of just evaluating as I think about how I move forward, and I just wanted to mention that in transparency because I've been talking about it on my Instagram. This looks beautiful. If you don't really care about marketing in these larger issues about what supporting a brand means, then you can disregard that, but I wanted to put it out there. Short and sweet, that was the box. $159, link will be down below. Let me know if you have any questions about any of this stuff. Just wanted to kind of unbox it because it feels like Christmas to me to do that. I also thought that I would just end this video with a few other little things. So I just received this. It is a set of Neutral Honest Beauty liquid lipsticks. So this just came to my P.O. box as PR, and I thought I would do a lip swatch video, and I feel like that would be the best use of these, is to actually show you what the colors look like. I haven't tried any of the formulas, so I can't attest to it yet, but that'll be upcoming. Okay, and then I wanted to end with something so beautiful, so breathtaking. I literally have just been staring at these products and haven't even wanted to use them because I want to figure out how I want to photograph them, where I want to talk about them. Surprise, surprise, it's in Fiore. I wanted to just update you quickly because I had gushed so much and had really expressed to you the inspiration that I'd been gleaning from the brand since the facial that I had in August. And Fiore has a really good gift with purchase going on right now. You do have to spend a pretty penny to get the gift with purchase, but I had been planning my shopping list for a while. So the gift with purchase are 15 milliliter bottles of all of their Solution Botaniques. So there's 4 of them here. With every in Fiore order, you get a beautiful bag that you could use for travel, or I can think of like a zillion uses for stuff like this. I got a couple samples of serums, and just everything about this brand is so, I just like don't even have words for how amazing it feels. The Solution Botanique gift with purchases all come with these just beautiful card stocks. Stunning. So you can imagine, as someone that makes content, I'm like, how, I just have so much to figure out before I even dive in and start using these. So definitely going to talk about them, the things I got, more at length in a live stream that I'm doing on Patreon this month. I'm doing 3 this month because of the number of people at that level. I've already done 1. So the next one I do, I'm gonna be talking about this stuff. I really want to also just do a, like, no speaking, but just find some sort of beautiful track and show these products like up close, just as kind of a way to show them in a very beautiful way here for YouTube. I'll probably do an Instagram post on this stuff as well, and probably also some stories. If you are interested, you can hop over to Patreon if you want to hear like the really in-depth talk about what I decided to get and kind of all of that. Stay tuned on YouTube if you want to just see them choreographed or shown to music, I guess. And then tune in on Instagram for kind of something in between those two. I think that's all for tonight. This was actually a really nice way to kind of decompress for the day. I'm gonna go do a PM skincare routine. I'm getting a manicure and pedicure tomorrow. It is so needed. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for the wonderful, thoughtful comments on my last video. Definitely not a topic that I'm going to stop talking about. I think these broader beauty industry-wide discussions are so important to be having. I posted a really good article on anti-influencing that I had come across on Patreon. I post lots of little additional addenda or bits and bobs over there. Everything you need referenced for this video is down below, which I feel like I've already said a zillion times. I'm signing off. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you really soon.